How to change language in your Gmail account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the language in your Gmail account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first, open Gmail and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And here, once you see the main interface like this, simply click on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after that, from the drop down menu, simply click on see all settings. And here, once you are prompted to the settings section, under the general tab, you will see the option for Gmail display language. So simply click the drop down and choose the language that you want Gmail to appear in. For example, you can switch from English US to English UK or choose any other language that suits you. And here, once you're done with everything, you can simply scroll down to the bottom and tap on the option labeled as Save Changes. And that's it. It's a simple way to personalize your Gmail experience by changing the language. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.